Close your eyes, breathe in deeply. You are about to explore a force older than time, Mahakali. She is not just a goddess in stories, she is the energy of time, transformation, and truth. Let us discover how she balances the universe, not just through myths, but through reality. Science says everything began from a single point, the Big Bang. Before that, there was no time, no space, only stillness. In spiritual terms, that stillness was Mahakali, the potential energy waiting to express. She is the source that silently watched before even light was born. From that silence came sound, and sound in physics means vibration. This vibration became particles, then matter, and then galaxies. Ancient texts say Nada Brahma, the universe is sound. Mahakali is the sound, the first vibration that became everything. Time in physics is the fourth dimension. We can't see it, but we feel its effects. Everything ages, changes, and moves. Mahakali represents time itself, eternal, unchanging, yet always flowing. Without time, nothing would happen. Mahakali is not outside. She lives in every atom, every cell, and in every breath. Your heartbeat is a rhythm, a pulse of time. In biology, your body follows circadian rhythm, natural time cycles. These rhythms are her signature. Her form is dark, like the cosmos. Her tongue is out, shocking yet symbolic. It reminds us to face truth without fear. Darkness in space isn't evil, it's full of invisible energy. She is that unseen power behind what we know. In psychology, Carl Jung spoke of the shadow self, the paths we avoid. Mahakali brings that shadow to light. She is the courage to look within. True healing comes not from denial, but from acceptance. She guides that process. In the ancient story, no god could defeat the demon of ego. Why? Because ego doesn't fear power, it fears awareness. Mahakali appeared not to fight, but to expose illusion and awaken consciousness. She danced with wild beauty. Each step is mental illusion, not the world. Destruction isn't chaos, it's renewal. Even in nature, old cells die, so new ones can grow. This process is not death, it is transformation. In her dance, she steps on Shiva, pure stillness. Why? To show that even power needs balance. Energy without awareness becomes destruction. Mahakali and Shiva together are motion and silence, like yin and yang, like breathe and pause. Think about your daily life. So many thoughts, worries, and decisions. Our minds are constantly in motion. Mahakali whispered, "Be still." Meditation is our doorway to her. Stillness brings clarity. You are not your job, not your failures, not your likes or followers. Just as particles are not solid, you too are energy, always shifting. Mahakali helps you meet the real you beyond rules. At the quantum level, particles appear and disappear. Reality flickers, never fixed. Mahakali is that flicker, the space between thoughts, the breath between words. She is the rhythm of all change. Sadness, energy, and joy all are forms of energy. You don't need to fight with them. Just feel them, watch them, and let them go. She doesn't suppress emotion. She teaches us to ride its waves with grace. You are the sky. Emotions are just clouds. They pass, but you remain. Mahakali teaches detachment, not denial. Watch everything rise and fall. And know your core is untouched. When life breaks us down, it feels like destruction. But just as seeds must crack to grow, so must we. She is present in every breakdown to rebuild us stronger, clearer, and freer. Mahakali doesn't punish, she purifies it, just as heat turns metal into gold. She removes all that's not you. What remains in your true essence? Fearless, pure, and eternal. Her serene face holds galaxies. Her calm is not weakness. It is power that needs no show. In a world that screams, she whispers truth. Her silence is louder than noise. Close your eyes now. See her in your heart, still glowing vast. Her darkness comforts you. Her presence stills your breath. She is always been there, waiting for your awareness. In every choice, every moment of truth, she rises. Let her rise in you, not just in prayer, but in courage, clarity, and calm. You are not broken, you are becoming. Om Krim Kalikaya Namaha.